I'm Vaishnavi and welcome back to another vlog with me on Sunshine and Vaishnavi Vlogs. So today in this vlog we are going to learn about railing planters and grow bags which are best suitable for small space balcony gardening. So folks, there are a numerous number of brands available in the market at various prices. So the main purpose of doing this video is just to show the grow bags and the railing planters that I use and which brand I am using, how much did it cost it, and almost all the bags, it's been almost around 1 year that I am using, more than 1 year. So everything is completely durable. So I just wanted to share my good customer experience with you. So that is the reason why I am doing this video. And also please do note that this is not any paid promotion. So this is a genuine customer feedback from my end. So folks, today we will start with the small size grow bag. So this is a 12 by 12 inch grow bag. So this grow bag can be used to grow all the leafy vegetables, all kind of leafy vegetables and small leafy vegetables. So this is the grow bag that I use for all the leafy vegetables and also the flower crops. So this is a 12 by 12 inch grow bag. You can see the depth over here. So it is almost, this is a 12 inch by 12 inch. The depth will be 12 inches and also the width will be 12 inches. And these kind of round grow bags 12 by 12 inches will support all kinds of small level fruit crops, leafy vegetable crops and also flowering plants. And now we will move on to the next grow bag that I use, which is for bigger level fruit plants. So this is the grow bag that should be used for bigger level plants like sweet lime plant and table lime plants. So here you can see the kind of bigger plants which should be used in these kind of grow bags. So see, this is a bigger plant. You can't plant this in a 12 by 12 grow bag and expect it to grow healthily and produce fruits and flowers. So in the same way, even this plant, this is basically a table lime plant. So you can see how big the plant is. So the base of the plant itself is so big. So it is almost like more than my hand. So you can't plant these plants in 12 by 12 inch grow bag. So for planting these kind of bigger plants, you need 15 by 15 inch grow bags. So this is the 15 by 15 inch grow bags. So it is much more deeper in size and it is wide enough also, so that it can support these kind of bigger plants and also give much better fruiting, because the roots will not get congested in this kind of bigger pots. And you can see the drain holes are also already stitched. We need not do extra work for giving all the drain holes. The drain holes are ample enough. Drain holes are already given. So this is a grow bag of Yuva Green brand. So the other grow bag 12 by 12 inch grow bag is also of Yuva Green brand, which is available on Amazon.com. So I will share you the links of these grow bags in the description. You can purchase from there. So based on your space in the balcony, you can even go for much more bigger grow bags. But if it is a small balcony like ours, what you can do is small level plants 12 by 12 and bigger level plants you can go for 15 by 15, so that even your space is considered and also the plant root system is also taken into consideration. So these kind of grow bags from Yuva Green brand, they are completely UV stabilized grow bags, 200 GSM width. So the benefit of using UV stabilized grow bags is how many ever years use them in your balcony, the color will not fade off. It will remain of the same color it will always look elegant. You can see my 12 by 12 grow bags over here. So all these grow bags are purchased 1 year ago. So you can see the green color, it is still the same way. It doesn't shade away and it doesn't look awkward for if you suddenly see, or if you invite any visitors to your balcony garden, it doesn't look awkward at all. It looks elegant always. So now let's see the railing planters that I use. So I have over 8 railing planters over here in my balcony garden, different colors. So all these railing planters are purchased from Trust Basket. So these railing planters are something which is best for small space container gardening. So these railing planters are 18-inch railing planters. It is available in almost all different colors. Blue, I have dark green, pink, red and yellow, sky blue color and also yellow color. So they are available in different colors and it is made of pre-galvanized metal. So that's the reason it will not have problem of rusting. And the coating, if you see the paint coating that is there over on here, this railing planter, it is a powdered paint coating. So that's the reason the paint, you will not have problems like paint peeling off and looking awkward and etc. So they will look elegant and they are completely rust free and damage resistant. So in all seasons they can happily support, and the paint is also of very good quality. So it's been 1 year that I am using these railing planters and it has no complaints at all. You might be wondering why it is like I am showing the railing planters. So here you can see my other railing planters. So basically there are a lot of railing planters on Amazon, and when we see the picture we do not get a clear cut idea of railing planter, which one to buy. So these are another brand railing planters. So even these look very big and all in the picture, but in reality when it came to home, this is a small railing planter. It does not support a little big kind of plants. So the depth is also a little less when compared to this plant, whereas the width is also not that great, and it is of this shape. So that's the reason in oval shape it does not support many plants as well, whereas this shape, it is rectangular shape and it supports many plants. Even in the corners can be utilized. So one more advantage for these railing planters by Trust Basket are you get detachable hooks. So this is something which you can plug and unplug, so very easy to fix. So all you need to do is first see the size of your railing planter like this. What is your railing planter? It supports both round type and also square type railing planters like this. See, this is the square type, this is the round type. So for both it will be more than enough. There is the detachable hook will support. So I'm doing this video specially to show the best railing planters compatible for new gardeners and balcony gardening people who want to do small space balcony gardening. So these railing planters by Trust Basket, it costed 500 rupees each, whereas the other grow bags that I have shown you, the 12 by 12 inch grow bags by Yuva Green brand, they costed 73 rupees for me each. There are different types available on Amazon, set of 10, set of 5. You can purchase as per your requirements. And whereas coming to the 15 by 15 inch grow bags by Yuva Green, it costed 120 rupees each for me. So I have brought a set of 6 grow bags because that is what is my requirement. 15 by 15 inch grow bags, 6 is more than enough for me. So you can purchase as per your requirements. So we'll end this video here, and please do like, share and subscribe to Earth Sunshine and Vaishnavi Vlogs. Thank you.